Unsnap the door sill panel and remove. Unscrew the plastic bolt from the top corner of the kick panel. Remove the kick panel. Using the pry tool, unsnap the lower dash panel. The T-harness is installed at the ECU behind the lower dash panel. Remove the bottom 30-pin connector from the ECU and plug the T-harness labeled 2 in line. Remove the top 30-pin connector from the ECU and plug the T-harness labeled 1 in line. Next, locate the white 63-pin connector under the dash. Locate the pink wire at pin 5 and the purple wire at pin 6. Cut the pink wire with the wire cutter and strip the ends. Strip the purple wire in the middle. We will refer to the wires as cut pink wire connector side, cut pink wire vehicle side, and stripped purple wire. Next, we will connect the 3 wires from the immobilizer harness labeled BA-T16 all to the vehicle. You may want to shorten this harness as it is made extra long to fit multiple vehicles. Connect the purple and yellow striped wire to the stripped purple wire. Wire taps are not recommended. Connect the yellow and red striped wire to the cut pink wire on the connector side. Connect the blue and black striped wire to the cut pink wire on the vehicle side. The wiring should look like this. The blue and black striped wire is connected to the cut pink wire on the vehicle side. The purple and yellow striped wire is connected to the stripped purple wire. The yellow and red striped wire is connected to the cut pink wire on the connector side. Cover the exposed wires with electrical tape. Connect the black connector from the immobilizer harness to the black connector on the main T-harness, labeled immobilizer. Use the provided zip ties to secure the module. Installation is now complete. Please refer to the guide for programming instructions.